Now then, this time for something different on Barnsley Biker Video Diaries. We've just got back from a 455 mile road trip. Decided I was going to do another project, and I thought I'd share it with you over a series of my videos. So today I'm just going to do you a quick introduction of walk round and introduce you to the Barnsley Biker Video Diary project. Okay, here it is, my SR500 project. The plan is to do it as a homage to the scramblers of the late 60s, the BSA, Triumph, Matchless, the classic British bikes. As you can see, it's already sort of been done in that style, but we're going to do a bit of tidying up, neatening up. There's two things that I think are going to need attention, and a few things that are going to be needed to do to make it fully road legal. I mean, theoretically it is at the moment, but it does need a number plate light sorting out. I'm going to relocate that number plate. It's going to need the rear mudguard. I'm going to sort out the frame hoop probably, and give a bit more support to the rear mudguard. As you can see at the moment, it's a little bit on the flimsy side. I've got a feeling that exhaust is going to be quite noisy, so I've got an intention to do a little bit of something with that, sweep it up a little bit more, and possibly put some period style looking side panels on there. So, but just for now, we're going to have a quick look around it. We're going to make some notes. We're going to see basically what it's going to need. Put together a shopping list, put together a to-do list, and crack on with it. As I go through building it, I'm going to do a series of videos, as I've already said, showing you what I'm doing, how I'm doing, show you the mistakes I make, but hopefully yeah, it won't take us too long. I don't think it's going to need that much to get it something like a bit of spit and polish and a little bit of fabrication. We're going to get there. So for now, I'll just give you a look at the bike. Okay, there you have it. That's the SR500 as it arrived. As I say, a few jobs to do. We're going to alter the colour scheme. I'll pop up a photo of what we're aiming to achieve, what we're wanting to try and get it to look a little bit like, and then I'll show you the progress as we go along with the build, on how we're getting there. So, but for now, as always, I am the Barnsley Biker. Please follow, please subscribe, and I'll see you. Thank you.